Alright, apparently the purple egg is the best toy in the basket. And Remy had it, and Ella took it. And then Remy got it, and Ella took it right back. I don't know. This is just an interesting little study in how they interact with each other.
Don't give it back to her, Remy. Switch hands. Switch hands.
Remy, you made her cry. Remy, that's not polite. You have to be nice to your cousin. She's your guest. I don't believe
I
it.
think she's trying to trade the dog for the
I can't believe he successfully captive of her. He's like, here it is. No, wait, it's over here. No, it's over.
You can hold it, but it's going in my mouth.
But Ella, you're so bossy. Like, you should just be able to take it. Remy's like, what do I do? Why is she crying? I don't get it. Like, I think you need to see how these two are tangled up. Oh wait, who just grabbed on who?
And now it's broken.
I've got the egg, but it doesn't make me happy. Oh, it's split in half. You can each have one side. Work it out, kids. Oh.
Uh-oh. It's all over now, Remy.
Take it away.
She's like, I'm out of here. I need a place to hide.
I feel like we just watched sharks go towards like some chum and now the fight's over.